Daddy, wake up! I want to ride the ostrich and see the dinosaur park and play at the beach. But now I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Let's go! Yay! Aeryn's awesome adventures. Today I am at the Lexus Hibiscus Hotel in Production. The buggy is going to take us to the room. Wow, the ocean! Also, I can see a boat over there. It's a sweet trip because we are staying inside a flower in the middle of the sea. Oh, I can't wait to see my room. So cool! I can bouncy on the bed. I can jump over the bed. Whee! My room is wonderful. Mama! I've even got a window on my floor to see the ocean. Oh my God! It's windy out here and the air is so fresh. Good morning everyone. This looks like the start of a beautiful day. Rise and shine. I can't wait to start my next adventure. First, I'm going to see the ostriches. Ostriches are the biggest and heaviest birds in the world, and they come from Africa. That's really far away. Boy ostriches have black feathers and girl ostriches are brown. She's really friendly and gentle. But he's a bit fierce and impatient. Do you just see it? Because just now it came to me. Here are a couple of adorable donkeys. If donkeys feel there's danger nearby, they won't move. Donkeys are not stubborn. Oh, so furry up here. They are strong and hardworking. I like the donkey because they are so cute and furry here. See, those are furries. To help them stay cool, donkeys have long floppy ears. But I don't. That's why. Hey guys, today is so hot. And I'm really sweating right now. This is Saleh, a boy ostrich. Do you want to see me ride an ostrich? Hey guys, this is my first time riding an ostrich. Wow, that's a really big bird. It feels cookie, a bit ticklish, like butterflies in my stomach. Ostriches are birds that can't fly, but they can run faster than a lion. You know what? It's actually quite fun. OMG, I'm riding a bird, everyone! Saleh! Bye-bye, Saleh. We are going to the dinosaur park. Dinosaur in Greek means terrifying lizard. I'm going to keep this. Star fruits.
What?
Star fruit.
Oh!
Phew, we're safe. That's a plant-eating dinosaur. Come on, guys, let's find more dinosaurs. There's a dinosaur! Wow, so cool. It's got sharp teeth, claws, and a pointy tail. Run, it looks scary. Run! There's a dinosaur there! This one has horns, but looks friendly. Look, there's another dinosaur there. Looks like it's too busy to see us. Phew. Hey, I think I saw something in the bushes. Look, there it is. And a big claw and a sharp teeth. I tagged it. Run, run. Wait, it's missing its jaw. It can't bite without a jaw. What's your name? This is Taqueno. This is my first time riding on a horse, and I love horse. So this horse is the same age as me, 7'7". Horses can see almost all the way to the back. Their eyes are on the side of their head. Horses can sleep standing up. I like this horse. Whee! This is fun, guys. He's a really good boy and he won't bite me. Bye-bye, Taqueno. I miss you. Yes, yes, yes. Have you guys ever seen an ostrich egg? Ostriches lay the big biggest eggs in the world. The eggshell is very strong. Do you think I can stand on it without breaking it?
I scared that this egg will crack open. It didn't crack.
Even an adult can stand on the egg without breaking it. What a huge fruit! Almost bigger than me!
Everyone, what's this?
Send us your comments.
Because we don't know what's this fruit. Look there, the hibiscus. Here, there's a hibiscus here.
And also down there, Lexi's Hibiscus Hotel.
Hi everyone, do you like my flamingo swimsuit? Do you know I have a swimming pool in my room? It's kind of good, but I like it.
I'm going for a walk at the beach and find some seashells by the seashore.
Oh my goodness, there's a super slide there. I'm sure I'm going on it.
Aww, what a long climb up, but a super ride down. Ooh, this is just too fun. I got to do this again. I can do the super slide all day.
Yeah. I feel so happy and so fun.
Woohoo! Here's come the Aeryn rocket. I'm back in the pool, guys.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.
Hey, Aeryn's awesome adventure. Yay! Go ahead and subscribe, like and share my videos. See you later. Okay, now I'm going to jump. 1, 2, 3.